Are you in the process of selling your house or about to sell your house or move into a new one? And you are wondering, what are the moving costs? How much does this cost? And how does it work? So anytime that we have a seller that needs help moving, we always move them ourselves. And a lot of times we hire the moving company and pay for that moving company. So if you are in Louisville and you have 2.5 Men on your contact list, that is who we personally use. No, not 2.5 Men, that is an old TV show. That's funny. It is 2 men in a truck, and they're a moving company, and they move things from one place to another. They're really quick, professional, and get the job done. So on average in the past, we've paid anywhere from like $400 to $1,000, and that's for like 2 and 3 bedroom houses and stuff like that, where the stuff is already packed. So that's kind of an ideal cost of, if you're going to do it yourself, what you're going to pay, anywhere from $400 to maybe $1,200, and you're going to have to pack the stuff as well. So I'm going to show you how, if you're going to sell your Louisville house, how you can pay no moving cost at all. So the way that you can do that is by selling your property to us as is. We now have it to where we will pay 100% of your moving cost to your new house. And if you want us to, we'll even unpack it in your new house for you, because I personally know how stressful moving can be. I have moved a couple of times in the past few years and I absolutely hate it. So I want to be able to provide as much value to you all by being able to help you all move. If this is something that interests you, please give me a call at 502-461-1450 or visit our website at LouisvilleCashRealEstate.com. Thank you all and have an amazing, blessed day.